It's an upper body and arm workout today, and it's only 10 minutes, so no excuses. There's 8 brand new episodes in this program, and the full daily schedule is on my website. If you're looking for meal ideas, I've also launched a new recipe section to help you out. And remember guys, you're not alone in this journey. Do share your progress with the rest of the community on YouTube, Instagram, or join my Discord server if you want more support. Now smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and let's get started. We've got 17 exercises in this upper body workout, 20 to 30 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds off. Let's start the workout with some arm circles. Draw some circles with your arms. Make sure you keep your arms straight and keep your motion controlled. You want to engage your muscles while drawing the circles.
You never can call fate, like thinking out of pocket was never your style. Try putting all your
No rest here, let's swap to the opposite direction. Going in a forward motion this time. Not difficult at all, we're just getting started.
I love you, perfect you, you left me on my own. It's heartaches and mistakes, but I'll be good alone.
Now let's go straight into up pulses. Keep your core engaged and back straight. Keep going guys.
Telling you that it's over, he try and get you unsober. You really just want your closure, and nothing is ever over, and nothing is ever this. Timing just be so perfect.
And now let's go into down pulses. Your arms might start to feel the burn here, but keep pushing, you got this.
Have you ever thought that you really wanted this? Target practice on your ass just to see if I can hit Nodis.
I love you, perfect you, you left me on my own. It's heartaches and mistakes, but I'll be good alone. I love you, perfect you, you left me on my own. It's heartaches and mistakes, but I'll be good alone.
Great work guys, a short rest here and we're going into crab dip toe touches. Sit on the mat, then lift your butt off the mat with your arms, keep your core tight, then touch your foot with your opposite hand. Then come back down and lift up again, then touch your other foot. Alright, short rest here, and now lift your butt off the mat and march your legs towards your chest. Your arms might be burning right now, but you can do it. If you need to take a little break, then take it and get back into it.
Still not living large, you bringing back energy, send my regards. I'm really from nothing, I'm beating the odds, yeah. You hit me, I won't pick up. Gotta keep my tunnel vision. I know people come and go. I won't fold, I won't switch up.
Girl, don't leave, bring it on back to me. Nice and easy.
Alright, now flip around and we've got push-up variations. Do a regular push-up, make sure your elbows not flaring out completely, keep it at 45 degrees. Then as you come up, push your hips back, stretching your back. For low impact, you could just do the exercise while on your knees.
Really too generous, really ahead of them, telling me stories I know that you never did. Doing me dirty, this shit isn't equal. I'll be the one to come through and just settle it like feed me lies all the time. Cotis, tears, bout to cry. Brat it, roll, forever for life.
Next, we're going to crawl forward and backward like a bear. Start in all fours by placing your hands right below your shoulders and your knees bent at 90 degrees below your hips. Then lift your knees off the mat. Now hold here and move forward by bringing your left arm and right leg forward, then the other leg and arm. Make sure you take small steps instead of big ones because you're gonna find it hard to catch up and lose coordination.
I'll give you all of me. Please don't leave, bring it on back to me. Nice and easy, nice and easy. If I'm being honest.
Great work guys, now flip around into a reverse plank position and we're doing a leg lift followed by a tug. For an easier alternative, just do reverse tabletop and you can extend one leg out at a time.
Yeah, 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 yeah. yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, not sorry, but I gotta let you go right now. I gotta, I'm cautious, so I gotta let you go now.
You're doing well, guys. We're almost at the halfway mark. Now lie down on your side and we're doing a side push-up. Have your bottom arm wrapped around your waist like so, and have your other arm push and lift you up. Your left arm should be doing all the work here.
I just gotta let them go. Ain't no reason for a celebration, so ain't no real reason for a toast. Cause we broke, not broken, like romance, slow dance. You know how to get it using no hands. Notice I am nothing like your old man's. Let me tell you something, it go like
Now flip around and we're doing the same on the other side. You should be feeling the burn on your right arm. This exercise is great in building strength for one arm push-ups too.
hard to watch someone with someone. How you go from loved one that I can't even trust you? It's fuck you. Feels like I never win. And she eat for extra, not elegant. Really got some nerve, don't you? You don't ever go to work, do you? Can't believe the way you let them do you. Superpowers, I can see through you. Made my next move be my best move. Praying hands and some hallelujahs. Romance, slow dance. You know how to get it.
Now get into a high plank position and we're doing some contralateral. Lift one leg and the opposite arm up, so that's your left arm and right leg, while maintaining balance. And try not to sway your hips too much from side to side, keep it centered. For an easier alternative, you can just do it on your knees, and it's basically a bird dog exercise. Alright, 10 seconds rest here and we're doing some side kick sit. Start in all fours, then lift your knees off the mat, then bring one leg to the other side, rotating upward using your core muscles. Your chest is facing upward now instead of downward. Do it slow and controlled. This exercise requires core and upper body strength, so try to get the move right instead of doing it quickly.
Close on a Monday, you still find a way to get fucked up. Please don't call me drunk like you did last week. You already showed you're no good for me. You're no good for me. But you still wear my white tee, even though you're no good for me.
Just 4 more exercises to go, guys. Next, we're doing up and down to side plank. Start in a high plank, then down into a low plank, then rotate to one side into a side plank, then repeat on the other side. This is not too difficult, so keep pushing.
Think I'm crazy cause I stay with you. Why'd you go and hit someone right before I went and lay with you? Hate to bring the bad news, won't get your name tattooed. Girl, you know that's taboo. Even when the club closed on a Monday, you still find a way to get fucked up. Please don't call me drunk like you did last week. You already showed you're no good for me. You're no good for me.
Great work, guys. Now get into a low plank and we're doing a body saw. Have your elbows resting right below your shoulders and now rock forward and backward. Make sure you are drawing in your core and have your core engaged the whole time.
Like you did last week. You already showed you're no good for me. You're no good for me. But you still wear my white tee, even though you're no good for me. You're no good for me. You're no good for me. But you still wear my white tee, even though you're no good for me. You're no good for me.
We've got side plank dips next. Hold the side plank position with your elbows right below your shoulders, then dip your hips down and up. Keep your core engaged. For an easier alternative, just do the exercise while on your knee.
Yeah, girl, don't leave, bring it on back to me. Nice and easy, make it nice and easy. If I'm being honest, I feel like you're heartless. But regardless, I'll give you all of me.
Really the one, a son of a gun. synthetic tabs, I stare at the sun, I look at the moon, I look at the stars, I search for a sign to get rid of these scars. Yeah, still not living large, you bring it back.
And now let's swap to the other side and finish this workout. Final exercise, you've got this, don't quit now.
Pick up, gotta keep my tunnel vision. I know people come and go. I won't fold, I won't switch up.
Girl, don't leave, bring it on back to me. Nice and easy, make it nice and easy. If I'm being honest, I feel like you're heartless. But regardless, I'll give you all of me.
It's nothing personal, yeah, everything business.
And that's the workout, guys. I hope your arms are feeling the burn. Make sure you smash that like button with those strong arms of yours and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.
Just settle it like, feed me lies, all